Look at an ancient Greek temple, and then look at a classified Pentagon radar sweep from last week. We generally treat these as two completely unrelated fields of study, mythology and anomalous modern phenomena. But the historical record and contemporary sensor data reveal a striking commonality. Ancient worship of multiple gods and modern belief in extraterrestrials share a single, identical analytical failure. This failure is a recurring cognitive distortion, a bug in how we process encounters with non-human intelligence. This diagnostic schematic maps the evolution of divine concepts. To decode this distortion, we must view belief as a structured administrative architecture. We start at a centralized baseline at the system's top, tracking how data degrades into isolated nodes over thousands of years. By tracking these structural failures, we can map the original blueprint of monotheism and use it to reevaluate what pilots and sensors are tracking in our skies today. Intellectual clarity depends on correcting the underlying cognitive software we use to process the unknown. The starting point of human theological history, according to this framework, is absolute monotheism. Looking at the top of our system model, we find the centralized command, all absolute attributes of perfection, the creator, the all-wise, the omnipotent, reside securely within one singular, undivided entity. Directly below this is the secondary layer of the system, the angelic matrix. To understand this tier, strip away the Renaissance paintings and cultural myths. In structural terms, angels are highly specialized executive forces and cosmic administrators. Their defining operational parameter is absolute compliance. They execute precise protocols and do not possess independent will or decision-making authority. They manage specific systemic functions across the universe, from directing weather patterns and planetary mechanics to processing biological transitions at the end of a life. In its original state, the universe operates on a perfectly streamlined, top-down administrative hierarchy. There is zero friction between the central commander and the mediators carrying out the orders. Over extended historical timeframes, this centralized model suffers from entropy as human populations apply a process of anthropomorphism. As you can see on the right side of the diagram, cultures began to sever specific divine attributes from the central node, treating single aspects of the creator as independent, self-contained entities. Consider the attribute of absolute power, the omnipotent. The Roman civilization took this specific attribute from the centralized model and manifested it as Mars, a standalone deity of war. Similarly, the concept of being all-wise was segmented off and physically represented as Athena. The system degraded further through a secondary error. Ancient societies began confusing the mediators with the creator, elevating the subordinate cosmic administrators to the status of independent gods. The Greek mind corrupted the specific administrative protocol for biological termination. They took an executive force carrying out an order, the angel of death, and rebranded it as Hades, a sovereign ruler of the underworld. Ancient polytheism represents a catastrophic filing error, a fragmented, corrupted backup of an originally perfect organizational chart. We see a massive conceptual overlap regarding unexplained cosmic observations in the modern era. When modern instruments detect anomalous objects, the materialist framework struggles to process the data. It defaults to classifying these phenomena as extraterrestrial biological entities or advanced technological craft. But look at the section of the diagram mapping the historical, revelation-based dataset of angelic forces alongside modern UAP sightings. The attributes match point for point. Historical texts describe entities with a luminous nature, non-material capabilities, and movement exceeding physical laws. Modern radar tracks glowing anomalies executing maneuvers at speeds completely unbound by physics. The modern secular mind rejects the existence of an unseen central command. Because it cannot accept an administrative reality beyond the material, it is forced to invent a technological explanation for non-material forces. What our fighter pilots and advanced sensor arrays are detecting are simply the systemic traits of cosmic administrators executing their standard operational protocols. By inventing aliens to explain luminous forces, contemporary science has effectively created a high-tech pantheon of new gods. They are repeating the cognitive distortion of the ancients. Recovering the original data requires a systemic hard reset, a protocol designed to format the corrupted information of both ancient myth and modern materialism. This brings us to the Islamic theological framework, which serves as a corrective system by identifying and repairing the precise points where attributes were severed and mediators were deified. It executes this reset through the hegemonic criterion, a diagnostic tool that filters the corrupted datasets of history to reestablish the original, centralized source. This criterion dismantles polytheistic nodes, strips administrative forces of divine authority, and forces all pathways back to a single command. The modeling of reality aligns under an integrated system directed by one commander, where mediators remain strictly subordinate. True intellectual clarity, whether analyzing the ruins of a temple or a Pentagon UAP report, is achieved when we stop worshiping the mechanics of the universe and acknowledge